Here we've got DOOGEE S50, and let me show you how to activate portable hotspot on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select More under Wireless and Networks, and here just click on Tethering and Portable Hotspot, and then go to Wi-Fi Hotspot. If you'd like to activate it right now, just click here, and now you can share network with other devices. Here you will locate the sign of the portable hotspot, and then you can turn it off the same way, just by tapping on the switcher. And now, as you can see, the signs disappeared. Then you can also change the network name and also the password if you want to. Just click on Setup Wi-Fi Hotspot, and smoothly here you can change it. So let me add DOOGEE here. And then if you will click on Show Password, you will see what your current password is. Then you can smoothly mark it, delete it, and enter a new one. Just remember that the password must have at least 8 characters. Tap on Save then, and that's it, the changes has been applied. Then if you would like to have a quick access to portable hotspot, if you would like to turn it on pretty quickly, smoothly slide down the upper bar, locate hotspot icon, it's right here, and just click here, just within a couple of seconds. Now it's active. Then if you'd like to turn it off, do the same trick, just click on the hotspot icon. And that would be all. This is how you can activate, personalize and deactivate personal hotspot on your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.